Hello friends, welcome to Engineers Java Development Testing Technology. Again, this is Mohit, and today I will discuss one more interview question. What is final variable in core Java? So final is a very important. If you will go in the any interview, they can ask, even it will for your working environment and in your interview purpose. This is a very important for final stuff. So we have a lot of the thing about of the final, like using the class level, using the variable level, using the method level. But today I will discuss using final is using with variable. If you will use final as a variable, then what will happen? So we have a you know that I believe on the practical. So let's move in the practical part. So here I took one class where demo where, and as you know that this is the static variable x equal to 10, and this is the static, and I use this final keyword here and int by equal to 10. Again, this is what variable this is the class level variable which is created inside the method that is called local variable or method level variable, right? So you can see here one more conclusion: final is applicable for class level variable and final is applicable for local variable as well. So this is the important stuff. Final is applicable for class level variable and final is applicable for local variable. Only one modifier is applicable for local, that is called final. Okay, so I don't want to be execute all the stuff in one shot, because you guys will get confused. So what I'll do here, if what is the output of x and y, what is the output of x and y? If I will execute this, you can see, yeah, then we are getting 20 20 and 10, 20 and 10. Why we are like sorry, 20 and 10. A static member we can call directly here, just we can access. Then my question is, what is the value of x and y? What is the value of x and y? Okay, so now the value of x and y is again 10 and 20, 10 and 20. You can see, right? 10 and 20. But just I print one, print a statement here, but I want to change x. Then what is the value of x now? What is the value of x now? X will become 30 here. What we have did reinitialization here, so now it's working fine. We are getting 30 here. Again I want to change by value. So what is the value of by? Okay, I want to change this by. If I'll change this by value, then you can read this error. What error we are getting? Error we are getting, cannot assign a value to a final variable by. We cannot assign the value because by is the final. If you use this final variable, you cannot change this value. So that's why we are getting compile time error here. Again, x1 is what? X1 is 10. So yeah, same stuff is there. X1 is 10. If it's fine, it's working fine. If I will change y1 here, y1 is final variable. If you will try to change final variable, then what will happen? Compiler will tell you cannot assign a value to a final variable. Conclusion is that if you use variable as a final, you cannot change this value. And final is applicable for class level variable and local variable. So that's why final is applicable for local and class level variable both. So if you will try to change this y, then you will get compile time error. I think you guys are like able to understand the concept of the final variable. I think it will help you in the interview, and do practice on your system. Whatever the code I am discussing, do practice on your system hands on. Definitely you are able to give the answer in the interview. You are able to work in the company. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. I request you, all of you, subscribe my channel. Coming days I'm making more videos. It will help you in the working environment as well, and interview purpose as well. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.